Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make French toast. So it's very simple, but I highly recommend that you put it into a container with a flat bottom. So I'm just using an ice cream container. And what you're going to do is you're going to put in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla, then 4 eggs, and lastly, you're going to add 1 cup of milk. It doesn't truly matter what type of milk it is. It could be skim, homo, or any of the percents. It's up to you, whatever you have on hand. And then you're just going to mix it thoroughly. Okay, now that's mixed thoroughly, you are ready to get the pan heated up. Okay, so to get your pan ready, you're going to put about a teaspoon of margarine on it. And then you're going to come over and turn the temperature on to around 5 or 6. And you will wait for the margarine to melt. And you're going to be moving the margarine all over the pan. And then once the margarine starts to bubble well, that is when you're ready to start making your French toast. Okay, now that the margarine is sizzling on pan, you're going to need slices of bread. You can use homemade or store-bought. I have store-bought right now, so that's what I'm using. I am personally using whole wheat. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your container of the batter, and you're just going to flip it over twice in the batter, and let the excess quickly drip off. And then put it onto your pan. And you can hear that it's already sizzling. And you're going to leave it on that side long enough that the one side turns brown, or to whichever state of being done that you prefer it. I know some people that like them to almost be black, but I prefer them to be golden brown. Okay, now I'm going to flip it. And you can see that it's nice and golden brown over a lot of the side. Now you're just going to leave it on that side until it turns golden brown. So you're just going to continually be flipping it a little bit to see it. One thing that I like to do while I'm cooking, because I like to make all the French toast first before I start to eat it, is I like to turn the oven onto the lowest temperature that I could possibly do, which for this one I believe is 170 Fahrenheit. And that way I'll have a little pan in there, and I'll just throw the food onto the pan as I go. Just like in there, and that way it will stay nice and warm until I'm done cooking it all. So I imagine that this one is now done. So flip it over. The second side never gets as brown as the first, but that's how I like it. So I'm just tossing it in there, and now I'll cook the rest. Okay, now that all of them are cooked, they're ready to eat. I prefer to put some margarine on them with maple syrup, and I find that to be very tasty. But of course you can put whatever you want on there. I know a lot of people that just put syrup on it, but I imagine that there are many things that you can do with it. And so that's the video for today, and that is how to make French toast. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button below. My toddler agrees that you must subscribe to my channel. And remember to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And have a good day.